What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. So let's start this video by launching the Facebook app. Before moving forward you have to remember that you can do this only from the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on bottom right corner. Then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now scroll down. Under your Facebook information section, tap on download your information. Here you will see that all the options are selected. Now scroll up and tap on deselect all. Then scroll down and only select messages. Now scroll down to the bottom. You can select the date range you want. You can also select the file format as well as the media quality. When you are done, tap on create file. And under available copies section, you will see the download option when your file is ready. Here you can see that I have already requested a file for download. Now all you have to do is tap on download and you will see all of your Facebook messages. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.